Hi, my name is Jürgen Scheible. I've been giving this week a workshop on mobile rapid application prototyping with Python for Series 60 to students of Berkeley University and also to Yahoo staff. So basically what we did during this 1 week workshop, we have been teaching Python for the first 2 days. I've been going through very simple code examples, covering all the functions of what Python for Series 60 offers nowadays, to just catch the low-hanging fruits in order to understand what the phone can do and how we can access all these functionalities within Python. The last 2.5 days of the week, we've been having hack days. Basically, students were building applications, mobile applications, based on their own ideas and based on the skills what they have learned during the week. We have come up with about 9 projects now during these 5 days. And it's exciting, really exciting to see what the students did with Python for Series 60. Enjoy the result. Yeah.
The general idea is to allow someone to upload an image of a sign, have the community kind of translate it for them, and then the person gets the translation back pretty quickly.
On the spot where he
Right.
asked it, yeah.
Yeah, calling it Where Is Here, and it's a framework for social sign translation of street signs.
Right.
So basically the first thing you would do would be on the street, stranger in a strange land, you don't understand the sign. You would take a picture of it. I name it, just give it something simple for now. I know I want to upload it, I could retake it if I wasn't satisfied, and I want to translate it to English. So now it's actually going to upload it to the server. We will actually see it appear on this website, which is the Where Is Here website. Someone wanted this translated into Spanish. They were walking around, they didn't understand it.
Yeah.
Someone actually went in and translated it. So you get to see the sign with the actual translation, who submitted it, just the username, and give it a rating.
Right, okay.
So,
and this is done by the community, or by the web community?
Right, exactly, yeah. So people could be monitoring either the website or this RSS feed. So that's actually coming live from the website. So every time something is put on the website, it actually gets broadcast. Okay, so there's a sign we just looked at. So I'm someone who wants to translate it. I can go in, offer translation. It tells me that the translation has been sent to a mobile. Okay, so there it is. See that my translation has come, and that's the translation.
The purpose of the game is that it's an ambient party game, so that you can bug the hell out of your friends while getting them drunker, and none of you actually have to remember what the status of the game is because the computer remembers it.
So what you do, you shoot at somebody?
You shoot at somebody, it's...
Yeah, over the course of an evening, let's say your friend's talking to somebody and you decide to shoot at them, and the server decides if you hit them, and then you hit them, and their phone should alert, and then they have to drink. Yep. Right.
And what are all the situations that you'd like to shoot at your friend? Well, imagine your friend's talking to some girl.
And then you shoot them. You choose who you're going to shoot at, so I'll shoot at Dan. And then...
Now you have been shooting at somebody who is one of the players of the game.
Yeah.
All right.
And then it tells me what happened.
Okay.
Oh, well, I shot at myself.
All right. So you are the one who has to drink next, right?
Yeah.
Course is great. Course is really cool. Like, experiencing Python was a lot of fun, and just like seeing how this is made.
It was really easy.
And basically it's a application that allows you to monitor and record information about your health during some sort of medical treatment on a daily basis using your phone, and that data accumulates, and it's something then you can easily bring up when you consult with your doctor at a doctor's appointment. Basically it's a way to improve the communication between patients and their doctors by using the mobile phone.
Okay.
And the first thing that comes up is a welcome. The main menu here allows you to first enter data. So I choose enter data, then I select a drug, and then it goes through various side effects that I might expect to have for this drug, and I answer questions about the side effects. And then the data is saved. And then I can also view history. If I go to view history, allows me to, for the prototype, two selections. I can select a graph. This will pull a dynamically created graph from the web that based on the information that someone has entered. One last feature is if you're going through and making your choices and you happen to select a choice that's maybe dangerous, you're experiencing really bad side effects. The system can recognize that and then says alert, and then it says call your doctor. So you can then from the cell phone, from the application, call your doctor immediately.
This is my application I built in Python. It took me about 3 days, and it's called the upcoming.org mobile hack. There's a little welcome information screen, and it'll connect over GPRS to Upcoming's web services API. And Upcoming is an events calendar, a social events calendar that lets you sign up for events and see what other people, friends and other people are attending events. So here's a list of events from the Upcoming site that I've signed up for in the future. And my app is divided into upcoming events in the future, the event I'm at this very moment, and events that I've been to in the past. So starting with events that are upcoming in the future, I've signed up for these 5 events. So here's a concert that's coming up by Lifehouse. I can see details of the venue at which the concert's taking place. I can get a list of the people who have indicated that they're attending the event.
All right.
And then I can get a profile of each of those persons.
Okay.
And so here's my own profile. You can get the photo and some other information about the person.
Okay.
You can going back to the venue. I can get a map to the venue.
Okay.
And that's making a live connection to Yahoo Maps to get a map of the venue. And then lastly, you could call the venue, launch the phone, or you could add it to your calendar, your phone calendar.
Right.
So the next category is events that are happening right at this moment. So this is the event that we're at right now, say.
Okay.
So similar to the upcoming events, I can see the details of the venue. Then I can also do a scan for people using Bluetooth scan. So if I'm at an event and I want to know what other people are around, I'll do a Bluetooth scan. If my friends have Bluetooth devices, I'll see their Bluetooth nickname showing up. And that one takes there. So right now it's just my laptop. But if there were other Bluetooth phones, I would see their nickname. And things I would want to that I haven't yet implemented, but I want to, would start over Bluetooth, say, send them a photo if I'm live at the event, start an IM conversation. To me, the most interesting part of this is that if I take photos at the event, without doing any kind of special tagging of the photos, now I have all my photos on my phone are organized in groups by event, just by looking at the timestamp of the photo. So I'm using the fact that I know the time and location of event to tag my photos on my phone.
Right.
Because each photo has a timestamp in it. So this photo I took at the event will be automatically tagged. And so next step would be to upload this to Flickr. And when I upload to Flickr, I'll know the geolocation of this photo because I know that I was at this event at the time that I took this photo. And I will know, I may know Bluetooth devices that are around. I may know which of my friends were around and stuff like that. And I'll probably know the name of the event. And when my events move into the past category, then I'll be able to browse my photos by event.
Right.
And that all happens for free. I don't have to tag the photos in any special way.
But in this case, all the photos are still on the phone.
Yeah.
Available.
Yeah.
Right.